Okay, number 4, home in on and communicate a differentiated offer. You're looking for the difference between I'm a freelance writer and I help these types of companies do this through that process. So you're getting very specific about, again, going back to what I think standing out means. You're being very specific about the value you bring and who you are and what you do. There's a lot of different ways you can do that. You can niche down into an industry. I mentioned industrial manufacturing earlier. That's Gorilla 76. Some of these are actually, all of these are agencies, so that maybe not the best examples for freelancers, but you can apply the same type of thinking for your own freelance biz. You can niche down into a specific vertical or industry. You can niche into a specific type of deliverable, like Case Study Buddy. You can leverage your channel expertise. I do social media growth and management for this type of company or for executive. Create compelling nurture campaigns that convert, something that has to do with channel, and or a specific approach or process. That's what we do. We're all over the map when it comes to verticals and types of deliverables and even channels. But we have a very specific process about content that starts with either proprietary data or with your internal and external SMEs. Again, going to say it again, get clear about your pricing and packaging at this stage. So this is an example from Erin Balsa. She created House of Bold and kind of leveraged her freelance into that business. To me, this is an example of great positioning. They do a lot of things, but the way they talk about, like, you can jump on and say, oh, you can help me with my team. You can help me improve our process. You can help me with content strategy. Oh, and you can help me with content execution. But then she lays out how they do it. I think that's the thing that makes the difference.